We are Samantha and Wade.
A husband and wife dreaming of adventures.
For the past couple of years, we put traveling on hold.
During that time, we purchased a tiny home, completely renovated it, and once the hard work was done, we decided it was time to travel again.
Then COVID-19 shut everything down.
Now that things are getting back to normal, we decided it was time to get out and start exploring.
So follow along with us as we take you on one of those adventures. In this episode, we day drink, buzzing pretty good right now. Samantha talks about a river.
The Mississippi River is ugly.
And Remy forgets his manners. Remy, come on, bro.
We just got into Natchez. We found our Airbnb. Now we're about to explore the city. So let's go check it out. There's the convention center. Oh, goodness. Oh, yay. You're so happy. Yes, you made a friend. Yes. So cool.
On the way to our first destination, we stumbled across a cute little farmer's market. First stop, Natchez Brewing Company, for some brick oven pizza and delicious craft beer. Blonde, just a pale ale. It's really good.
Yeah, and I got a pineapple something. Tasted it, it's already very nice. And then I've got some kind of gypsy IPA. It's really nice as well. And Remy is having so much fun drinking his water.
Oh, okay.
Hey, baby.
There you go, Remy.
Hey, Dad.
I'm 2 beers in and buzzing pretty good right now.
And we're about to buy a third one so we can walk the river.
Oh, yeah. So if you see a drunk white pasty fella out there, just pay no mind.
Oh my gosh, we have been having so much fun. We just feel like we're on vacation. We just kind of are. So there's music playing, and then there's like an actual music festival like next door that's gonna start at 3, but they've been like practicing and stuff. So we've been kind of getting like double doses of music, and there's like people playing games. There's dogs everywhere, guys. It is so cool. If you come to Natchez, Mississippi, definitely check out Natchez Brewing Company because it's legit, like for real, like the color yellow. Thank you. Okay guys, we are leaving Natchez Brewery finally. Of course, I got some beers for the travel. We're going to go, we're gonna go check out the pathway on the river. Normally you could just walk straight from the brewery, but there is a music fest going on and they're blocking the view. So we're gonna have to go down here, kind of go out of the way.
Spilling stuff. We found a nice shaded spot next to the Mississippi River to sit, relax, and enjoy our drinks.
gamble later. Remy, are you gonna go gamble? Say no. I'm gonna go take a nap. Now we are walking the Mississippi River, and it's just so cool. Like, the Mississippi River is ugly, it's nasty, it's like huge, just disgusting body of water. It's brown. It's got so many. I've seen like on like different, like maybe the Discovery Channel, I don't know, like how disgusting like the different animals and whatnot is in the Mississippi River. Don't want to ever get in there, but it is pretty dang cool, and it's a beautiful day. We walked all the way down this giant hill just to scope the place out. It's hot. Remy got wet. He rolled around in like cigarette butts. That's super fun. So by the time we get up the hill, we should be able to check into our Airbnb.
After a long hard day of driving and walking in the Mississippi heat, it was time to make our way back to our Airbnb to recharge before we went back out to explore. Thanks for watching our video. Remember to subscribe and follow along as we explore more of Natchez, Mississippi.